on the same stage.
Well, Friday, February 14th, Valentine's Day, 2014, and we got dumped on.
Beautiful karaoke musical. Chicago, Kinky Boots.
And I've been out already once doing up my paper route. It's 8 o'clock now. I did what I could earlier. I went home, fed the dog and the cats, and played a game of poker, and now I'm back out going to finish up. I just came by East Orchard Road. It's not even plowed yet. It's just like this guy's driveway right here. Not even touched yet.
I've no idea.
Mickey Mouse. Huh. I still ain't got this plowed. I got 2 tubes to do up there. I ain't going over that.
Nice story.
Why ain't this guy been here to plow this yet? I ain't even walking up over that.
Has been blasting out.
This is Kipling Road. I gotta come back here when I come back home anyway, so.
I don't know.
I'll check it when I come back home.
What is the matter with that guy?
I don't forget.
What do you think he is? I mean, he's ill, and he's Danica Patrick answered Richard Benny's remarks as we discussed Benny Queens, and here's what she had to say.
I won't speak him out for any reason. Never have in any situations in the past where somebody has said something about me. So, no, people will judge in a positive or negative way what he said, but I'm not going to.
Taking the high road. Well, whatever. I thought at one time Congress.
It's beautiful out here after a snowstorm. I just love it. This is the best time I have on my paper route. Is in the snowstorm or, you know, after it. I just love it out here like this, man. This is me. This is where I belong. In the warmth, of course. The warmth of my cabin, of Rugi. It's the Miller Farm up here on Miller Road. The only time it sucks out here is when it's snowing so bad that your windshield wipers can't keep up with it and they keep freezing up. That's the only part I don't like about it. But other than that, I just love it. See, now, whoa, now everybody's been out here and snow blowed. It's 10 to 9 now. Most people get everything cleaned up, so that's pretty good. I hope Partridge Road's plowed. This is beautiful out here. Now blacktop. That's blacktop there, so this is slippery now. See, now I gotta be careful. I'm testing my brakes now. This guy don't see me. This is Miller, Dwight Miller. He's the one that owns the orchard we're going by. Get out your tractor and clear it first. He's trying to bust through the thing. He owns tractors. Matter of fact, he plows a bunch of these roads with the tractor, and he don't do a very good job because he doesn't go in and back out. He just plows it like that, past the mailbox, and stops, and then backs up, and the whole bucket load stays there, and I got to pull in through it. I don't know why he does it, man. I'll show you. I'll get it on film tomorrow. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So usually I'll take a left down here and do down by the school and then come back up, but I've already done all that. I was down there 5-6 hours ago. I was down the bottom of this hill here. 4 o'clock this morning. It's 9 o'clock now. See, here I got to get out and get this one. I'm not going to try to drive in through that shit. I'll walk over to that one. I'll just step over that bank. It's a Wall Street one, too. Put it on my stick, too. They got a stick here. So I just got to step right there, reach out, push it in there. Whoa, almost fell over. See, it's right up to my crotch. That's how deep it is. Can't tell, but it is. Okay, so I'm down the bottom Miller Road. See, I've already done that one straight across here. 4:30 this morning I did that one. Nothing was plowed either, but I could drive up on this road. Everything down there is done. This Partridge Hill up here, it's a private one, so it hadn't been plowed at all. I could have went up it, but I didn't want to push the car because it heats up. Well, I could have made it. I wouldn't have got stuck. But I had to come back down. There's Baker on the right. That's my tracks in there. You see how much snow has been snowed in my tracks since I've been there. Okay, hopefully up here on the right it's plowed. If it's not, I'm going anyway, because I ain't coming back here. Oh yeah, it's been done. Cool. That weren't done earlier when I came up. I don't know why that sounded so loud. It sounded like I got a left flat. I'll have to get out and check that. Oh, this car is parked where I turn around. That's right, swing it and turn around right there. I'm going to do 5 of them here.
We know that Hillsborough may not be the place to come to us, so we make sure we put our verified lowest price. What does the verified lowest price mean?
Let's go out and check that flat tire. Oh no, it's not flat. Keep this cleaned out here so you don't get. Keep your air circulating in there. Seeing a lot of this shit today. See you guys' mailbox down there? And also my tube's bent. Should be so I could reach it. Well, see, this is passenger side. That sucks anyway. See how far away from the car it is? I gotta lean way over. My left hand and zing it in there like that. But, see, these passenger side ones I should get out and shovel once the storm stops. And here's why. See, they'll shovel it. See, it's not shoveled yet, but even when they shovel it, then they plow again, it comes back up. So when my tire goes up in the air, the tube goes down where I can't reach it. Watch. See, as I pull in here, right, I go up on the snow, and see how the tube goes down? See, the tube should be up here level with me, because the car should be down. The car comes up because of the snow. See? This one down here, the guy don't even know how to plow it. He's a moron. He plows into it instead of... I even told her on her Christmas card that he should plow it different. See how he plows it? He plows it into here, but see, we drive into the mailbox and out like that. So that's how he should plow it. He should come right in here. But look how he plows the other side into it. See, he comes from over there, plows this way into it, pushes the snow right up there, so it blocks us off. A moron. I'll show you how I work these, see? I'll pull up to it, right, go right into the snow, see? Go up to a little ways, then back out, see? That way you don't get stuck. Whoa! Uh-oh. I might have. I backed into the snowbank instead of out. I weren't paying attention, but I didn't get stuck anyway, but almost did, because I wasn't supposed to go up into there. See, now I'm going to bust right straight through the way he should plow it. See, watch. Boom! See? Now that's the way it should be plowed. But he's a moron. He doesn't plow it that way. I got to bust it out. And then now I can pull in and leave the paper, see? Now I can pull in, leave the paper, and not get stuck. That was Liz Richards. She lives right here. They're the owner of Richards Group Insurance Company, and she's in charge of not in charge, but helps with the ski jump, and that's this weekend. She just told me they had 11 Europeans fly into Logan last night, and nobody could go get them because of the storm. So they had to pay to put them all up in motels in Boston. So, and this snow just really hampered them anyway, getting the jump ready. They had it ready. Now they got to deal with all this snow, and this is, you know, they're gonna do it, but it's a lot of work because all this snow. They got to pack it all down, get the jump ready for tomorrow and Sunday. I think they even should practice on Friday. I'm not sure, but regardless, they're having it this weekend. Usually you'll welcome snow for something like that, but not when you got to get everything ready and do everything and everything. But anyway, she said, "Yeah, I'm on the ski jump." I go, "Oh yeah, I read about it. I know, you and your husband, you both do a lot for a lot of different things, and it's very nice of you guys. I see your name sponsoring stuff all over the place, both privately and your business. It's like, thank you for everything you do." But anyway, gotta get my route done. Gordon Evans working his way down with his backhoe, and he'll be down here eventually to get his paper. This is Evans Way that I'm on. It's actually, oh no, it ain't private. The town does plow. It's just named after Evans because they're all up here. The Evanses. It's off of Spalding Hill, which is off of Park Lawton.
Been a ton of work for you. You have a nice sense of humor. I'm sorry I never listened to any of your reports like that. They must have been pretty good. You got another job.
Well, this is where I turn around. This is the top of Spalding Hill. This is Wayne Emery Hill Drive, private. Do him and turn around. I used to go all the way up to the top, but that customer don't get the paper anymore. Surprised he ain't out with his dump truck hauling snow. Good morning. I think there's another mailbox gone. Seeing a lot of that. Been seeing a lot of that today. Mailbox is down. Yeah, a whole bunch of them are down. There you go. She's having a new mailbox ready to put up, so. Tell you, it still goes way down there to poop. See her right through the trees, right there. Here she comes. She's covered. She went out her trail out that way and broke the trail all the way out down to there. Okay, hold. Let me brush you off. Wait, stay right there. Oh, you shake, but that's not good enough. Uh-oh. This is what happens when you go too fast for road conditions. Even four-wheel drive. You're not going to stay on the road if you're going too fast. See? And with four-wheel drive, they're not going to get back on the road from there. See? Toyota, RAV4 or not. You can't drive faster than the road conditions allow.